In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Hostinger email subscription. Whether you've decided that you no longer require the service or you're simply looking to explore other options, canceling your subscription is a straightforward process. Stick with me, and I'll guide you through each step to ensure a smooth experience. First off, you'll need to log into your Hostinger account. Head over to their official website and locate the login button at the top right corner of the page. You'll be prompted to enter your credentials. If you're having trouble remembering your password, don't worry, a handy "Forgot Password" link is available to help you reset it. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by your dashboard. From your dashboard, look for the Emails section. This is usually visible on the main navigation menu, so it shouldn't be too hard to find. Click on it, and you'll be directed to a page listing all your current email services with Hostinger. This is where you can manage the various aspects of your email accounts, including cancellations. Next, you need to identify the specific email subscription you wish to cancel. You might have multiple email services listed, so make sure to select the right one to avoid any unwanted cancellations. Once you've selected the correct service, look for the Manage button next to it. This will usually be a clickable button or link that opens up more detailed options for managing your email service. After hitting Manage, you should see an option to Cancel Subscription. Click on this option to initiate the cancellation process. At this point, Hostinger may ask for feedback about why you're looking to cancel. Providing feedback is usually optional, but it can be helpful for the company as they strive to improve their services. Feel free to share your honest thoughts or skip this step entirely if you'd prefer. Once you've made your decision about feedback, proceed with confirming your cancellation. Hostinger may prompt you with a confirmation message, ensuring you're certain about discontinuing the service. Carefully review any details to confirm you're canceling the correct email subscription. When you're ready, confirm your choice to complete the cancellation process. Finally, it's always a good idea to check for any confirmation email from Hostinger. They typically send a notification to confirm that your email subscription has been successfully canceled. Keep an eye on your inbox for this, and double-check your spam or junk folder just in case, as these emails can sometimes end up there. And there you have it, a quick and easy guide to canceling your Hostinger email subscription. By following these steps, you should be able to carry out the cancellation smoothly and efficiently, freeing you up to pursue your next email solution or take a break without any ongoing charges from Hostinger. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.